Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Flights and entering origin, destination, and travel dates. Do that now. Once done, pick passenger count and cabin class so results match your needs. Make sure to set basic filters like nonstop only or specific airlines to narrow options quickly. Also adjust departure and return time windows to avoid unwanted overnight flights. This early precision saves time later because Google will rank results against your criteria, showing the best matches first. Now compare options using the calendar and price graph to find cheaper date combos. You'll spot patterns and cheaper nearby days. Once you choose an outbound flight, pick a matching inbound option and inspect times and layovers. Click the flight to view fare rules and class details. Make sure to expand the price breakdown so you see baggage fees and change or cancellation penalties. Doing this prevents surprises at checkout, and it helps you decide if a slightly higher fare is worth better baggage or connection times. To finish, click Select and follow the airline or online travel agency booking flow. Verify the total price shown matches Google Flights. Enter traveler names exactly as on passports or ID, add frequent flyer numbers, and pick seats if available. Pay with your preferred card and save or screenshot the confirmation page. Once booked, check the confirmation email and add the reservation to your calendar. If something goes wrong, contact the airline directly with your confirmation number. They can reissue tickets or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.